Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called Always Returning Home from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Always returning home. Everything that happens in your life is for the evolution of your soul. Everything brings you back to your spiritual journey, the essence of who you are. You may forget from time to time, but life will cause you to remember again. You're a spiritual being who comes from the divine, and you're bound to know yourself better. You're bound to know who you truly are and remember the laws that govern humanity. You're bound to know the laws so you can thrive, and when you thrive, you inevitably lead by the clarity of your example. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you now and think about what you are grateful for in the last few days, whenever. Just a few things you can think of that you're truly grateful for. I am grateful for I was able to talk to some distant relatives I haven't talked to in a very long time. It was amazing. I'm grateful for the beautiful weather we keep getting. And I'm grateful for technology to be able to read these poems to you. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day.